The importance of testing your blood glucose regularly. Start your day with a nutritious breakfast. Whole grain pancakes with fresh berries. Perfect for controlling our blood glucose. Blood glucose. Why is that so important? Checking your blood glucose regularly can help prevent diabetes and other health problems. Nipping in the bud is better than worry. This little device is a lifesaver. It helps us keep track of our blood glucose levels. If you're at risk, like having a family history of diabetes, or if you're over 40, it's good to test regularly, maybe once a week or as your doctor suggests. It's not just about avoiding sugar. Exactly, it's about overall health. Tips: prevention is always better than cure. Small changes can make a big difference. Tips: prevention is better than cure. Take control of your health today.